Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You're watching Islamic World Today. Israel bombed Damascus, killing 7, including 4 Iranians. Official Syrian news agency confirms overnight bombing. Turkey and Russian foreign ministers hold positive talks. Turkish foreign minister calls meeting with Russian counterpart positive, says delegation meeting scheduled for Monday. Turkey will not allow more carnage in Idlib, Syria. Turkey expects allies to pressure Assad regime and backers to stop aggression, says Turkish foreign minister. Civilians in northwest Syria awaits aid amid harsh winter. Around 30,000 displaced people face heavy weather conditions as snowfall hits Idlib. US forces open process for religious clothing. Turbans and hijab now permitted as a part of military uniform in new regulations. Yemen's rebel says dozens killed in Saudi-led airstrikes. Yemen has been beset by violence and chaos since 2014. Algeria's new government receives vote of confidence. Lower house of parliament passes confidence vote after government present program. Convicted war crimes Jamaat leader dies in Bangladesh. Former lawmaker died deprived of proper treatment while in jail since 2012, says party. Afghanistan, alleged US airstrike killed 8 civilians. Official says airstrike occurred in Taliban-controlled area in eastern Afghanistan. Afghan forces claims killing senior Taliban commander. This comes days after US announced negotiation proposal with Taliban on reduction of violence. US and Taliban reach agreement to reduce violence, reports. Pact could potentially lead to eventual withdrawal of US forces from Afghanistan. Kashmir has important to Turkey as it is to Pakistan. Turkey will continue supporting Pakistan fight against terrorism, Erdogan tells Pakistan parliament in historic speech. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.